Welcome, in front of me Epson XP-970, and now I'm going to show you how to install paper on this device. So firstly we should install the paper card. So firstly let's give me a while, I need to zoom out the picture. Okay, that's cool. So here we have the paper tray. Firstly we should open the door of paper tray and pull it out. Here we have place for paper, and here as you can see we have this blue element to change the height of the paper card and the width of paper card. And of course for A4 paper cards we need to use wider parameters. Close it and close the doors. As you can see, it's automatically detected A4 paper in my printer, and cool, that's it. Bye.